So what are you doing now?
I'm going to making a kimchi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which version? White version or red version? Or in between?
Yeah, this is in between.
In between, okay.
Yeah.
The reason is because we don't have gochugaru, yeah? Red chili from Korea.
Yeah, for making a cabbage, for making kimchi, we need a Chinese cabbage. Yeah. And washing it, making ready, prepare it. Then chop it later.
Okay. What else afterwards?
Yeah, then after that we add in a salt and we keep it for several hours until it's set.
How many hours roughly?
About 3 to 4 hours, yeah, that's 3 hours.
Okay, so until all the water from inside the cabbage went out. Okay.
Yeah.
How much?
A spoonful. Yeah.
A spoonful, okay. Okay, so you are mixing it now?
Yeah, making the solution.
Of what?
Then,
salt.
Yeah, then I will add it to the Chinese cabbage.
Alright. Okay. You have to stir it.
Then massage it.
But be careful.
Yeah. And the solution covers all parts.
Okay. And then leave it for
Then leave it for several hours.
several hours.
Approximately about 3 hours. Yeah.
At least 3 hours.
At least 3 hours. Yeah, and if it's more, it's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we just leave it.
Yeah,
like
until
that.
it sets.
Okay. Okay, now what you are doing?
I'm trying to blend the ingredients for making kimchi.
Alright.
Yeah, onion,
What else?
some garlic,
Oops. Careful. Oops. Shit.
Is that enough?
More. You have to put more garlic. Should be garlicky thing if it is kimchi.
Nice.
So easy, isn't it? Okay. Garlic. You also have some ginger. Oops. Careful.
Also, you need to add ginger to them.
Yeah. You got some ginger over there.
More?
Oops. Yeah, put more garlic. It's supposed to be like that. You can choose either putting cayenne or chili powder.
Okay.
Okay, one more is enough, I think. One more is enough.
One more.
Yeah, that's it. It's okay.
Put it in
And then ginger.
Need to be washed, innit?
Wash it if you want more.
What is part?
Get rid of that part. The stem. It's not necessary.
Add more?
Oh,
You mean blend it too much or?
yeah, until fine. Yeah, okay. If you want to choose cayenne, fine. I think the level of the heat of the cayenne is still okay for you.
Enough?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. One more?
A little bit more, I think.
Yeah. 2.
Yeah. Not more than that, because it is quite spicy. I think you can add a little bit water.
Yeah.
Boiling water, maybe. So you can use it straight away. Like, not too much, a little. Not too much, not too much. I'm sure it's not gonna be splash because it's warm. Seriously? No. Okay, okay. This is the result of kimchi, and as I said, we have to leave a little bit room between the top part of this container with the lid, because soon after 1 day or 2 days, then the good bacteria, the result of the fermentation, will push the air up, so it might be leaking. So in order to avoid it, it's better to leave a little bit room in this way. And we just put it in this way for 1 day or 2. Then we can enjoy it afterwards nicely. Thank you.